I'm going to talk about networking 101 and how to actually done it better. And just let me introduce myself. I used to be an Android developer, then I moved to managing projects. And I'm having a company where we are a small software house outsourcing some small projects on Android and web apps. But also I'm a CTO of the TediBerry company, which is a startup working in AR. We are doing occlusion stuff. I'm also having a side project right now, so if there's any one of you interested in esports and gaming, I'd love to talk to you later about this. So, keep going. Sure. Where I'm bringing my experience from is the series of events I ran for the last year and a half, which was developer speed dating. And actually what it is speed dating for developers. And the idea, the first event I've done was just before Valentine's Day as a small joke for lonely developers. But actually the idea catch, and we kept on going with those events as they were really amazing. And the networking, which was the whole idea of the event, just went great. So the first rule is just to do not miss the occasion. If you have a mic and you're on a conference hall, just say what you do. And this is this famous elevator pitch, when you have 30 seconds actually to say who you are, what do you do, and what you're looking for. And it's just, you just have to remember that it's sometimes when you are meeting a person in an elevator, it's just good to have, don't be afraid to come up to the person and actually start talking. Second, be engaging. So, you know, when you're in the conference and you're in the corner of the room, or there's someone in the corner of the room with a plate full of food, that's the obvious sign this person is not gonna go for networking. And how to be engaging? Just start conversation. And I actually my beloved question when I'm approaching new people is just asking, you know, what do you do for a living? That's I think that's a way better question than how it's going. How's it going? And just you can keep going and start and meet the person who he is and where it's going. Third advice from me is that to be consistent. What I found after talking to from the developer speed dating events about 1,000 developers. So those things may sound obvious, but still a lot of people, especially developers, are missing that. That if you are a young startup, you are looking for developers, just keep saying that. Keep telling to your friends, keep telling to your family, talk it to the people at the bus stop. Just keep on going with the things that you're looking for, because it's all about creating opportunities. And what I think about achieving a goal or actually having a great project and accomplishing it is about talks that you will have to, all the talks, and even just one more will bring you to the end of the project, and you will just find the person that will help you and collect the developers for your startups. Fourth rule for me is if you already met the person, you engage them, is just you may share there's the situation when you have to share your number, of course. So the clever idea is to just have your phone book, your number saved in your phone book. So when you have to send a virtual business card, you may have filled all the data like website of your company, other numbers you have, address of your company, website. So this will just help you, and this is going to be a way smarter way of sharing the information and may create some opportunities in the future. And fifth is when you already gave a number, you're going to receive a business card. So if you're going to roll with hundreds of business cards, like I did, I tried a lot of software that can help me collect those and store those business cards. But probably the best products is Google Lens. So if you are an Android developer, Android user, you have this out of the box. So you just use the app, and it's super quick because you just take a photo of the business card. You can have a one click and then add to the contacts. So all the information by the OCR software can be transferred to this contact, and you will just save the contact by having a photo. And if you are an iOS developer, you just may download the Google Photos app, and it's gonna work for you too. And that's all. You may try this option right here with this business card. And thank you so much.